Hi, good day. I gather some, like shells, and then I bake it afterwards until it's gonna like cook. The shell is gonna soft, and I blend it. Like, hard to hold my phone at the same time. Hold on. Show it to you, then I blend it. Any kind of blender will work. Afterwards, I put it in empty container for spring. It's high in calcium. That's what I read online. I will just try it and see. Hi, this is beautiful Sunday morning here, and I'm mixing the potting mix, and I put a little bit of pet moss soil in it. So that's what I do. I mix it, and then afterwards I put it in here. I gather some toilet paper, cardboard for potting, and I use this one. Okay, take two, because my video bumper was asking me something. By the way, guys, I have this. I don't really like buying stuff. I just want. What I mean is, I bought before, like the potting stuff that is ready, and there's no difference. But this, we still can put seeds in it and soil. So this one, I'm gonna try. I will not tell you that this is like 100% successful, but this is the first year that I'm getting serious in planting seeds and having a vegetable garden. So okay, so I'm gonna put the soil in there, and then I will show it to you later. There's another one here too. I tried this, some of this is used, so I just use that one instead of buying stuff. So I just use what I got. It's a chaos in here, and there's lots of spilling of fruits and vegetables for the compost. Down there is an empty flower pot, and I made a small compost there. What I did, I just dumped the fruits, the peeling of the fruits and the vegetables and the papers, and the one that is easy to compost, and then I flip down over every like a week or 7 days, and then so it composts pretty quick. And I put soil there too for a garden. So that's all for right now, and I will show it to you later. Bye bye. Here it is. I'm done with this one. Put the cardboard in there, and then I make that as a greenhouse, small greenhouse from okay. And this one, it needs to be pressed here, and then put seeds in there and water it. So that's how will I get right now. More stuff, and shake it. Okay, thank you. Okay, I'm going to, suppose if I have cut this old cherry tree that's not producing good, and try to get used to the branch and grafting. This is my first time to do that, so I will just see if it will get not clone, but it's another tree for this same variety. Ooh, now that's two. I grafted that one, and what I did is I just get a mark in there around it, and then the bottom too, and then scrape that, and then I think that's ready. Then I graft here too. I insert cyan in here. It's a cherry, still a cherry cyan that I put in here. Hopefully they will gonna come out fine. I put two cyan in the close by the roots, no, the stem. Hi guys, how are you? I don't know if I am happy of this weather. Yesterday is beautiful, and the other day it's sunny in the 50s, but it's just in a couple days it dropped pretty quick, and hopefully this coming week or next week at least we're gonna get sun so I can plant my vegetables. That's how it looks outside. And right now we are, since last night, our fireplace is, we have our fireplace, how firewood in there, because last night I'm cold. This plant of mine in this inside the house needs to go outside because this is gumamela. Gumamela don't like, see the buds is, I put it outside because there's aphids in it. And then this one, it needs to have sun, but the snake plant is fine. Who in the world put this in here? I have my photos here. I don't know if that's the name of it, but the name of photos. It's getting longer. And poor plant, I forgot to water it. I cover it because it's, you know, it dry up pretty quick because of the register in the corner. I like plants inside the house, so I love keeping it there. But this one started a yucca cane, but they're hanging in there. The palm trees, I got two. I'm gonna separate that when there's sun. I cut some of the, you know, this area here, so their energy will focus on the good one instead of the dying one. And I have my Mayana here. This plant needs to have a lot of sun. And talking about that, I think I overdo with plants, my husband told me. And this one is, I don't know, I forgot the name of this. They don't like being wet all the time. You just have to sprinkle and just some moisture in it, and then wipe the leaves to make it look shiny. That's what they like. And this one needs to go outside too. It's gonna come out like it's a plant tour. Showing all my plants. It's an anthurium and a cactus, different pencil type of cactus. And there I grow my leftover onion. And this is, what's the name of this plant? Oh, okay. I call this one a snake plant because it's almost similar. My friend gave me this, and I sprinkle around a powder, bake eggshells, a source of calcium. It's getting bigger. And my aloe vera, when my skin are itchy and I need something for moisturizer, or my skin is dry. Look at that, I just pinch it. Poor aloe vera. And I got my photos in here. Sometimes I forgot to water them, poor thing. And I still have my small aloe vera here. And I don't know what's the name of this one. That was given to me. And they're getting bigger. Even there's no sun. Just it's inside the house. I know, I put the photos in here and put eggshells, powder eggshells that I got. And there's one more here. My friend gave me 1 or 2 or 3, I think, and I propagated, and I got more than enough. In the toilet area, I still have my plants in here to clean up the air. It seems like this one didn't work. And my snake plant is doing still good. And my another photos and aloe vera, I propagate the smaller one and they get bigger. And this one and the other one. Hopefully pretty soon they can go outside and have some fresh air and sun.